Hey, what's up? I'm actually going to do another video tonight about the cell phones and the battery life and how to make your phone last the longest. This is not a regular, typical video about how, turning that off, dim your screen, all that bunch of bull. What I'm going to talk about is the use of these lightning chargers and turbochargers and actually making your phone last more than a year or two before the battery life plummets. And a lot of things affect it. Using your phone till it's dead and charging it damages lithium batteries. The temperature, not keeping it cool while you charge it, especially turbocharging it, letting it charge on your seat in the sun or on these right here in the sun with the heat, because they already are going to get extremely hot while turbocharging, but also with the sun's heat it makes it worse. Plus, if you notice, if my phone is sitting here, you've got the air vent where in the winter with people using the heater vents, the heat's blowing onto the phone, heating it up even worse, damaging the battery and hindering the charge, but mainly damaging it long term to where the battery life gradually goes out, but just a lot quicker, to where the battery life is shortened, not only long term but short term, to where it'll hold a charge a lot shorter. And then conversely, during the summer, it's actually good to have a vent clip mount, because you're going to be running the air conditioner, which actually is going to help cool the phone while it's up there on the mount charging, or whether it's charging or not. If you're running, say you got it charging and you're running GPS and a lot of data extensive things, the phone's tendency to get hot is there, and the AC's constantly cooling it. And then of course with it charging, it compounds your benefits there for that too. So anyway, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail and a lot of the issues people had with the first gen turbochargers, the Motorola turbos, Droid turbos, all that, Droid Max, and the Samsung's exploding, the battery defect further exaggerating this issue. A lot of cool stuff. So anyways, stay tuned and you might learn some geeky tech knowledge. Who knows, might help you out, because I know you guys are paying a lot of money, upwards of $1,000 for these new iPhones and these new flagship droids, and this will be good information to have to further your experience, not just in the long term, but within the first 6 months. You keep that fresh battery life going, and it will, if they're treated correctly. And this thing's a lot of the cell phone sellers and sales reps, they don't know these things. I was a sales rep at Verizon, and people don't, they don't necessarily teach things like that. But being a techno geek that I am, I knew and I always told my customers things. And anyway, hopefully I can help you out a little bit. So that's coming. So stay tuned.